Hello guys, welcome back to Creation YouTube channel. My name is Sebastian and today I will breaking down how to use and install the new ccKINETIC 2.0 for Final Cut Pro. Once you downloaded the files, we need to go to Finder, to our download section. So here we will have a zip folder, so to unzip it you need to double click it and you will have here a folder named ccKINETIC 2.0 Final Cut Pro. So we will open it and here we have two folders and the product manual in case you need it, and then here we have frames and titles, right? So basically to install them we need to select both of them, drag to the movies and then motion template. Very easy. We need to go to title because both of them are titles and install them. Here these messages appears because I have them installed, so in your case this message will don't appear. So in my case I will go for stop, and then what I recommend is to make sure to have closed the Final Cut Pro application to refresh the application. So once you have refreshed your application we need to open it. So we'll go to Final Cut Pro and then here is your project. In my case I have a pictures, so we need to go to the left part to search for ccKINETIC. Here it is. So here we have the frames, right? Here is the frames and then here we have the title. So I will show you how it works, right? So we go to the frames. So here is an interesting thing that we have three formats. We have the format 4:5. You can see here we have the title for 4:5, and then we have landscape frame, that is this one. Basically it's like YouTube format, right? So also we have the portrait frames, that is like you can use them for reels or TikToks. So in my case I will choose for the landscape. I will choose the second one. So I will drag and drop on my timeline. Here is, I will click it and I will go to the title section on the right part. So we have build in and build out. Basically it's animation. You can turn it on or you can turn it off just by clicking these two buttons. Also we will have here the colors. You can change them as you need. Here you can see it's green. For example, if I want to change the background, because here it's gray, I will change it to red, right? Depending on you, you can choose your colors. I will leave it as gray. And then we have the text that appear here, so you can change it. For example, gym day. You can put here your text. And then you have the position. You can scale it to the right or to the left or up and down. Also we have the scale. You can make it smaller or bigger. Also we have the line on off if you want to turn it off or turn it on. You can see here. Also we have the background. You can see here and you can turn it on or you can turn it off. Of what you can see here, the background is off. So we were scrolling down and I will show you another one. For example, the landscape title and number 2. We go here and here is our title, right? You can see it. The parameters are the same. We have the build in, build out, we have our colors, we have the text here, you have the position, you have the scale, and you also have the elements. You can turn it on or turn it off. For example, if I want to change the color, I'll change it to blue. You can see the text color have changed. So for the last thing I will show you guys the ccKINETIC 2.0 titles are here, and for example I will choose the third one. For example, I can drag and drop to my timeline. It's here. You can see the animation in and on, right? So like I say, the parameters are the same in each frame and titles. We made it as simple as possible to follow. The parameters are very short. You can see here we have the build in, build out. You have the position, rotation of the text if you want it. You can see you can rotate the text, for example 90, and you can change the color, maybe blue, yeah, and here you have the color that have changed. You have the 3D effect, that is this one. If you turn it off, it will be a normal text, or the prism one that you can see on the right part, and then above you have your text here. So below you have the text, so you can change it as you need. So the pair, like you saw, contains 10 titles for each aspect ratio, and you also have 10 titles as lower thirds. So you basically, you can see the pack, it's a big pack, and you have a lot of options to play with it. So guys, that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand how to use and install the new ccKINETIC 2.0 pack for Final Cut Pro. If you have any questions, let me know down below on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to leave a like if you like it, and don't forget to tag us with the hashtag MadeWithCCreation on your content and your social media to see it. So guys, that's it. No, see you soon.